Hello, sir. Welcome, welcome. How can I take your money?
Contact my younger daughter, she will do it.
तो क्या हुआ? ख्वाब देखने से तो ख्वाब पूरे होते हैं. हाँ. Guys, my mom is calling me बूढ़ी अम्मा. Do you really think, मम्मी, really बूढ़ी अम्मा?
Yes, you
Budi
look
Amma.
like Budi Amma with the headgear that you are wearing, or maybe the way you are wearing your scarf.
Yeah.
It makes you look like a Budi Amma.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. That's not true. I think it looks very cute. और ठीक है ना, बारिश रुक भी गई है तो क्या हुआ? I want to wear it. I feel nice. So I will.
अरे और तुम व्लॉग कर रही हो इसमें पागल की तरह.
सुहानी प्लीज हटो. हमने अच्छे लग रहे हैं खुले बाल में. देखो हवा चल रही है.
तुमको जेन्युइनली बोल रहे थे कि ये सब व्लॉग में डालोगे पागल.
हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं. तुमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में?
सुहानी तुम पहले खोलो.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है तुमको लाइफ में?
खोलो.
बताओ.
बारिश खत्म हो गई है.
इरिटेट करिए फालतू में.
शेक शैक एक्स्ट्रा लाइट इज पॉपाइज.
क्या बोली?
शेक शैक एक्स्ट्रा लाइट इज पॉपाइज.
और मुझे अगर शेक शैक का ये आ रहा होगा तो, और मुझे शेक शैक का अगर ब्रांड स्पॉन्सरशिप आएगा तो, सॉरी पॉपाइज का,
बड़े बड़े ख्वाब.
तो क्या हुआ? ख्वाब देखने से तो ख्वाब पूरे होते हैं. हाँ. Guys, it's 6 p.m. right now and I just told my dad हाणे मुंहिंजो थी वियो. मुंहिंजे पैरनि में सूर तो थे, but we are still traveling. I don't know if a lot of you can understand, but I was talking in Sindhi and that means कि अब मेरे पैरों में दर्द हो रहा है. My legs are hurting. I cannot walk anymore. But we are at the Spice Bazaar. So let me show you. We're just outside the Spice Bazaar right now. These are the views. Scenes at the Spice Bazaar. We just entered in this lane and there are shops on both sides where you can shop for clothes mostly, but I'm waiting for the spice part of the Spice Bazaar as of now. Let's see where we find that. Guys, there are 3 types of people on a trip. That's my dad, who is...
वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल.
I hate you. मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ. So I think there are 3 types of people on a trip. One who's very enthusiastic and wants to discover each and every place. 2 who is a shopaholic and wants to shop a lot. And 3 is me, who's tired and just wants to sit somewhere or probably go back to the hotel. And that was one of my observations. I just wanted to share it with the vlog. And it's about 6:30 p.m. right now, and we think that because of Ramzan and Iftari time, a lot of shops have closed. So we are not able to get to Spice Bazaar as of now, although Google says that it's open till 7:30 p.m. But we might ask a few locals and let's see how it goes before we make a decision as to what is to be done next. Okay, so now the plan is that since Spice Bazaar is closed, we are walking to the ferry stop station area. I don't know what that is actually, but it's called Eminyonu. And from there we'll take the ferry to the Asian side and look for a nice spot for dinner. Here we are near the waters where we are wanting to board the ferry, and there you see the Blue Mosque from afar, and on the other side is the Galata Tower, and Taksim Square and everything is on that side, which we plan to visit tomorrow. Here we are entering the ferry to the Asian side, and that's them getting themselves clicked, and you see the water around, and I'll go and join for a picture now. Just like the ferry is shaking, the only thing I can say right now is Mahalapura baby.
Both Asia. Apparently, Istanbul is the only place in the entire world where there's a part of city where is it? क्या ऐसे करूँ? Apparently, Istanbul. I'm saying this for the 80th time. Okay, apparently, Istanbul is the only city in the entire world where there is a part of Istanbul where it's like in Asia and the other part is in Europe. So it's like 2 continents and Istanbul is spread over the both. Right? Is that right? Yeah. Okay.
Here we are at the Asian side of Istanbul, and look what my eyes got. Such beautiful, yummy looking pastries and cakes. They have another freezer here with more desserts, and I am so tempted right now, but I have to control my temptations. I've had enough sweet for the day already. I mean, there are so many stores where you find all of these tempting looking desserts, but how much can a young man resist? I hope I can resist until we have dinner because it is amazing. We are at Aik Sorba and Kebab, and we have ordered 2 soups and 1 kebab dish. This is what we get complimentary with all of that. This is some sort of naan bread, and there's salad, lot of pickle, again salad and salad. And here I've got my lentil soup. Dad's got a chicken soup. That's how you eat this naan or bread. Dip and eat. It's like breadsticks. Guys, we finally gave into our temptation and got this pista thingy. But unfortunately, they are overpacked and do not have seating arrangements. So we're going back down again. She's doing taste test of the pista dessert.
I'm still trying to process the taste, but I think I like the pistachio. I did not dig in to the chocolate part, but I think I would rate this 9 out of 10. It's good.
Empty plates but full hearts and stomachs. How did you like the food, Papa?
Yeah, it was pretty good. We really enjoyed the lunch. Hopefully, we get to see much more good recommendations by my daughter. Over to Sania.
Oh my god, why is this so formal? Guys, let me come to the dhoop area. But anyways, this was our brunch, by the way, not lunch, because we did not have breakfast. Guys, I hope she doesn't edit this part. If she does, then unsubscribe.
See you later, alligator. Yeah, I really loved the food because I was hungry, and thankfully I got something similar to Thai curry, which I really like, and I relish my food really.
No, thank you. Pata hai. I got fettuccine chicken fettuccine. What did I get? Mushroom chicken. I got fettuccine, and I think it was pretty good considering the fact that this red peri peri or chili powder was really nice. But we are too full now, so we will get up and leave and go to yes, of course, after paying. And then we'll go to Taksim Square and the surrounding areas, or probably before that we might want to visit Spice Bazaar that we couldn't visit yesterday. So you will see clips from our next location now. We are here in a market behind the Spice Bazaar. Did some shopping. I fulfilled my childhood wish of getting a poncho. Finally got one. And I also got a scarf with it gifted, and now my dad is going to get something. And after that we are going to walk to Galata Tower.
Walking
आधा घंटा. You're in Europe. Walking is all you do here. That's your only option. Hello, sir. Welcome. How can I take your money?
Contact my younger daughter. She will do it.
We are here on the street to go to Galata Tower, and we need to climb all these stairs upstairs to finally be able to see Galata Tower. And I'm already so tired. I cannot. That's my mom posing for a picture. गाना गाइए, कौन सा गाना गाएंगी? रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में
कर दी है खाली
कर दी है हुस्न की काली तिजोरियां,
कागज की स्याही से
काजल की स्याही से लिखी
है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियाँ, केसरिया तेरा
इश्क है पिया,
रंग जाऊं जो मैं
दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में,
रहने सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं.
After a lot of hike, we have finally reached the Galata Tower. But one, there's a long, very long line to go up on the top of the tower. And we have literally no energy left in ourselves to walk that much. And we are looking for a place so that we can sit and enjoy some drink because it's very hot and we are all sweating because of the strenuous hike. So all we want, oh my god, that guy is screaming, all we want is a place to sit and enjoy some cool drinks. Oh, these are so beautiful hangings and wood magnets, looks very pretty. And again, Cat Istanbul. So this was our view from the top of the cafe of the whole of Istanbul, and then we headed to our cruise. Now you can see clips of our views from the cruise. We were sitting outside initially, but then it got cold over time, so then we moved inside. But we saw the sunsets. It was basically a sunset cruise with an audio guide. But yeah, that was beautiful. And then we got down and headed to Taksim Square. After we got done with our cruise, we are now heading, or rather climbing up to Taksim Square, just like the Galata Tower area. Even this is an absolute steep climb, and I guess we are not even halfway through, and I'm dead tired, as you can probably notice by the way I'm panting and speaking. And I think you can also see a cat here peeking into two people eating. That's why we are in Cat Istanbul. And yeah, probabilities are that a lot of shops in Taksim Square are closed because it's around 7:45 p.m. right now, and we're assuming because of Ramzan that happened yesterday as well in Spice Bazaar. And there's another cat. So let's see. We'll find out after a strenuous hike to Taksim Square once again. Climbing up was absolutely worth this beautiful monument. So I guess you should come here. We just got done with dinner. It's around 10:30 p.m. and we had gone to this Nepalese restaurant called the Himalayan restaurant in Taksim. I found it out and it was really nice. Like, we really loved the food. We got a momo platter, chicken momo platter, and also ordered a chicken biryani. Also got before we started with food, we got some lemon coriander clear soup and some fryams as well. I don't know if I've recorded that. But then at the end we got Himalayan tea made of mint and lemon. And so yeah, how will you rate the food, guys, out of 10?
8, 9.
8.
Spicy momos, 10 out of 10.
Yes, those chili momos on the platter were really good. Had we known that before, we would have ordered just the chili momos, like 10 chili momos. But yeah, that was it. Now we're heading back to our hotel because we are dead tired because of the hiking that we had to do. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
पैर पे चढ़ी किधर है मम्मी मम्मी मम्मी